Yo, what's going on, guys? So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to shoot a viral piece of content. We're going to be using this guy here, and this can be applicable for TikTok. It can be applicable for going viral on Instagram. Going to kind of just lay out a few pillars that I've learned over time. So the very first thing that you're going to want to do is have like a solid hook, okay? So I'm going to do a weird hook with this guy here. I'm just going to kind of point this at the screen. I'm just going to touch its nose, all right? So that's kind of what we're going to do. We're going to start off with just literally booping this dude's nose with my finger, right? We want it to be weird. We want it to just grab some attention, okay? So that's what your goal here would be too. Cool. So we got 2 seconds of me like booping bro's nose. And then I'm going to do one here where we're going to bring this up close like this. And I'm just going to like tap it. Let's see. Maybe something. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and showcase the actual product here. Because that's what I want. That's what I want the video to be about. This is technically going to be an ad. I'm just going to do like a little bit of a pan here. Let's see. Cool. And then we have that little click sound. So I'm going to let me do this with the, let's see. I think I can do that like this. Hold up. Yeah, let's do this. Let's do like this little covering. Okay. Now you might need to crop it a little bit. Let's see how we're looking. Okay. So I might shorten this up all a little bit. So I might adjust these clips a little bit. So like this one here, I'm gonna make that a little bit shorter. Make the boop nose. Must start that a little sooner so we zoom in sooner. Right, I really want to like pace it, right? Right, so again, you want to have a hook that just makes people be like, what's going on? And then you want to kind of continue that by having them be interested in what's going on. You'll see this is going to make sense at one point. You're probably watching this and are just absolutely confused, but that's fine. Okay, so we do that. Okay, so this may be, okay, cool. So, just identifying what clips we need. We're gonna need a few more clips, so I'm gonna keep shooting it. Let's go ahead and actually put this necklace now in a box, and you're gonna see what we're gonna do with that. Maybe we do one that's like, let's see. Let's do one where we maybe drop bro. Great. Okay, and then we can do one where we take now the box and showcase how this looks like in the box. So let's grab one of the boxes. And then I'm literally just gonna go ahead and replace the necklace I have on this box with the necklace that I have on this guy here. So we're gonna just place it on, and then I'm going to shoot the necklace in the box and get some really nice aesthetic B-roll of the product. Okay, so we're quite literally just gonna do this here. Beautiful. And then maybe we'll do a little bit of the box here. No, hold up. don't know, I'm debating if I like how it's looking. I might need to set these lights up better because that did not really pre-plan this shooting too much. But I'm actually gonna do this right here. I think this is cute. Cool. So let's see what we got to work with. Let's redo these clips a little bit. Okay, and then this one here, we want it to be when it's moving already. Yeah, I might cut it, like, I might remove this clip, and this might just get cut somewhere here. Okay, so we can work with this. So you want to add some text, right? We're gonna go ahead and now play around with like a POV text here. We're gonna say POV. You got your girlfriend a necklace with her dog on it. Okay, cool. So let's talk a little bit about this because I'm sure you guys are like, what in the world? So there's a few things going on here that I want to just quickly touch base on. So first and foremost, we have a few. Let me just lower the volume here so I can speak. So okay, we have a few things going on. We have an attempt at a hook that's going to stop people because something's going on, right? And they're like, what's going on? Why is he like touching the nose of that plushie like that, right? So these are things they might comment about it, right? These could all be comment baits. And essentially what we're doing is we're saying, POV, you got your girlfriend a necklace with her dog on it. Everyone's kind of confused, right? Like at this point, and what's going on is they continue to watch, right? Until we get here where it says, this is your sign to get her a pet face necklace, which is a winning copy for us that we've tested before. So I'm utilizing a winning piece of copy there after, in a sense of a call to action, right? So it's a very organic call to action. We're just saying this is your sign to get her a pet face necklace in remembrance of her pet, right? So it's very subtle, very like kind of organic flowing. But we accomplish multiple things here. We also kind of have a midway attention grab or another comment bait that people are gonna be like, why'd you drop it? You see what I'm saying? Like this piece of content might not go viral, right? I'm gonna post it. We'll all be able to see if it did or not. But this framework, okay, this is what I want to get at. This framework of content on having a hook that grabs attention, on having parts and bits that will retain attention, on having parts that might get people to comment baiting, and then mixing that with very clear explanation of what your product is, and then at the very end having some type of a call to action that seems organic, not direct, is the framework that I've had generate us hundreds of thousands of dollars. That's what I have for you guys. Hopefully you found this video beneficial, and come join me in the Discord group for every single day live scaling and deep work. I'll be there. Take it easy.